Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details.